Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be recreating this look here, and if you want to see how I got this look, keep on watching and let's get into the video. Okay, so I'm going to start off by using my Morphe 350 palette. Then I'm going to go in with my Wet n Wild blending brush. I'm just going to take this neutral brown shade and use that as my transition shade color, whatever makes you happy. So yeah, I'm just blending that into my crease so that I can have a seamless eye look, you know. Can't be having no uneven blended eyeshadow, you know what I'm saying? Now I'm just gonna go into this orangish shade and just deepen up that transition color. I'm just applying that a little bit below my crease. And I'm mixing it in with the transition shade also. Now I'm going to go into this palette. I think it's Beauties Factory. And I'm going to be taking a purple shade out of it. Like a pink purple shade. Fuchsia maybe? I'm just going to put that on my outer corner and blend that into my crease a little bit. Sorry for the lighting, you guys. I forgot to lock the lighting thing. Yeah, so I saw that it wasn't like as pigmented as I wanted it. So as you see later in the video, I will be switching palettes and it'll be like sort of the same color. My double chin. Wow. So I'm going to go into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to go into that pink purplish shade that you saw, and you see how it's more pigmented. That's what I wanted, so yeah. Now I'm going to go into another Wet n Wild brush. Well, not another, the same one that I used before, just to help blend out that purple shade, just so that I can have that seamless effect. We gotta blend, hunty. Blend, blend, blend till your fingers fall off and the bristles off your brush come off. Or whatever. I'm gonna go back into that purple shade and just deepen it up a little bit, because I lost some of the pigment when I was blending it out. So I'm just going to add that back in. Look how beautiful. I'm just going to blend out more the edges. It just got to be on fleek, okay? So now I'm going to go into my NYX Glitter Glue with that brush there. I don't know the name of it. I'm just going to apply it onto that little spot I have left on my eyelid. I would say this is like a half cut crease, but I'm going to call it like a 1/4 of a cut crease, if that makes sense. I don't know, shucks. not a makeup artist. I'm a makeup enthusiast. And I just love makeup. Okay. And I'm just applying that glitter shade onto my eyelid. Just blending that out. Now I'm just gonna wipe off the excess banana powder that I have on my my face. I did go ahead and do my other eye and apply lashes, so the video won't be an hour long. You know what I'm saying? So I'm just gonna apply bronzer. I don't really contour anymore. I just apply bronzer. Sometimes I may contour, but not all the time. But you may contour if you want. And I'm just going to take that LA Girl, no, LA Colors blush. We don't need that brush. And it's fairly new, so I was trying it out. I like it. It's really pretty. I'm just applying that on the apples of my cheeks and the center of my nose, just so that I can have a blushed effect, and at the tip of my nose so I can have a sun-kissed effect. You know, I just love being sunny, bronzed, all of that good stuff. So now I'm going to use this L'Oreal mascara and just blend my real lashes in with the falsies. Oh, and you guys, by the way, I put my eyelashes on wrong. I don't know what I was doing, but I noticed it. It didn't look bad, so I just kept it that way. They're on opposite eyes, and you can't even tell, so. Get it, girl. Okay, so I'm going back in with that palette, and I wanted a pop of color at the bottom of my eye, so I grabbed that pretty bright orange shade, and I'm just going to apply that at the bottom by my waterline. Just for a pop of color. You don't have to do this if you recreate this look. You don't have to do this. You can stay in the same color range, but I just wanted to spice things up a little bit because this is a very, very simple look, and I just wanted to add a little bit of flair to it. Okay, I went and did the other eye off camera, and now I'm going to take that pinkish goldish shade there. I'm going to apply that into my inner corners, so my inner corners can be popping, my eyes could be looking all voluptuous and huge and just cute and all that good stuff. Look at that. Look at that difference you're going to see. This is one of my favorite eyeshadows in the Morphe palette, by the way. Ooh, look at that. I'm just going to spray some Gerard Cosmetics Lavender Slay All Day spray on my face. And then I'm going to apply some Anastasia Beverly Hills So Hollywood highlighter onto the high points of my cheeks. And I'm also going to apply it on the bridge of my nose and Cupid's bow and my brow bone, all of that good stuff. Poppin', glow girl, glow. blinding y'all, huh? Now I'm lining my lips with a Sephora lip liner. I'm gonna have the shade down below. I'm gonna have everything down below. I'm gonna take the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid lipstick in the shade Ashton. One of my only favorite lipstick, nude lipstick, and my only lipstick by them. Look how beautiful that is. Ooh. Okay, so yeah, thank you for watching my video. Hope you like, comment, and subscribe, because that would just like make my day. If you just subscribe, like, comment, you know what I'm saying? You understand what I'm saying? Do you? Okay, it got really hot in this room real quick. But look at this glow though. Look at this inner eye color. Look at this. Okay, so yeah, enough of me falling in love with my makeup look all over again. Now these are my eyebrows. I had so much trouble doing them today. Like, I just be wanting to choke them, like, you know what I'm saying? Okay, yeah, so thank you for watching my video. Hope you like and subscribe. Keyword subscribe. Because if you want to see more of me, you have to subscribe. You know what I'm saying? So, like, subscribe. Click the bell button up here, down there, over there. I don't know, wherever it is. Click it so that you'll be notified whenever I post stuff. I'm going to be posting a lot of stuff soon, so, you know, get ready, because I am about to be popping. Okay, let me just stop. Okay, so bye, thank you for watching. Hope you have a great Valentine's Day. If anybody recreate this look, you know, send me pictures, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's very cute, girly, and all of that. So, yeah. Bye! Again.